Okay, let's talk about quadrilaterals. As you know, there are many kinds of them. What do you know about quadrilaterals?
They all have 4 sides, 4 edges, and all of them are equal.
Okay, that's good. Can you tell me everything you know about this shape?
This is a square. It's a quadrilateral. It has 4 edges, 4 sides, and all 4 sides are equal.
Okay, good. But can this shape be called a rhombus?
No,
Why?
because a rhombus has a different shape, and a rhombus is a little narrower.
Okay, can you draw me a rhombus as you see the rhombus is supposed to be? Okay, it's supposed to look narrower, as you think. Okay. Can this shape be called a parallelogram, for example?
No,
Why?
because it looks differently.
It looks differently.
Yeah.
Can you draw a parallelogram as you see it's supposed to be? It's, yeah, it really looks differently from a square. But you know, square, actually a rhombus.
Really? I didn't know. How?
It is a rhombus in which each angle is 90 degrees. Not any rhombus is a square, but any square is a rhombus.
Interesting.
Moreover, square belongs to the class of parallelograms too.
I didn't even think about that.
It has opposite sides that are parallels. You see?
Yes.
So it's interesting. You said you didn't even know about that. But it's okay, it's not your fault. You just need to know something really important. Look, I have some definitions here. Let's read them all.
A quadrilateral, a 4-sided polygon.
So you can imagine it's supposed to have 4 sides. They all have 4 sides. Okay.
A parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel.
So you imagine that, right? The opposite sides are parallel.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all 4 sides are of equal length.
You see, rhombus is a parallelogram. You see, something tricky is here. So next.
A square is a rhombus in which each angle is 90 degrees.
Something suspicious here? Square is a rhombus. You see that?
Yeah.
So next definition, please.
A rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is 90 degrees.
Next.
A trapezoid is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel.
And next, the last one.
An isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid in which 2 opposite non-parallel sides are of equal length.
Okay, so we have definitions, and I also have chart that will help you to identify what kind of quadrilateral this is. So let's see how it works. So these are definitions, and this is the chart. I have some quadrilaterals here. They are different shape. And now, using this chart, we will try to identify what quadrilateral is this. So let's begin from this. Does this polygon have 4 sides?
Yes.
So you follow your finger to yes. And you read the...
This is a quadrilateral.
Okay. Next, it goes down and it says, are both pairs of opposite sides parallel?
Yes, this is a parallelogram.
Okay, this is a parallelogram. Are all sides equal?
Yes.
Yes, to go down.
This is a rhombus.
This is a rhombus, actually. And the arrow goes down and it says, are all angles 90 degrees?
Yes, this is a square.
So you see, this is a square. This is such a helpful chart. Let's try the next one. Does this polygon have 4 sides?
Yes, this is a quadrilateral.
Are both pairs of opposite sides parallel?
Yes, this is a parallelogram.
Are all sides equal?
No.
Are all angles 90 degrees?
No, this is a parallelogram.
It's easy, you see? It's really helpful. Let's try next one. This one is a little bit harder too. Does this polygon have 4 sides?
Yes, this is a quadrilateral.
Are both pairs of opposite sides parallel?
No.
No. So, is one pair of opposite sides parallel?
Yes, this is a trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Are their non-parallel sides equal?
Yes, this is an isosceles trapezoid.
Look carefully. Are the non-parallel sides equal? Non-parallel sides are equal? Yes or no?
Oh, no.
No.
Then
so
this is a trapezoid.
this is a trapezoid. This is a regular trapezoid. Let's try next. Does this polygon have 4 sides?
Yes.
So you follow your finger.
This is a quadrilateral.
Now try to do it yourself.
Are both pairs of opposite sides parallel? Yes. Then this is a parallelogram. Are all sides equal? No. Are all angles 90 degrees? Yes. So this is a rectangle.
This is a rectangle, you see? It works. Let's try this one. This one is, we'll see what quadrilateral is this.
Does this polygon have 4 sides? Yes. Then this is a quadrilateral. Are both sides of opposite sides parallel? No. Is one pair of opposite sides parallel? Yes. Then this is a trapezoid. Are non-parallel sides equal? Yes. Then this is an isosceles trapezoid.
Isosceles trapezoid. So an isosceles trapezoid has 2 non-parallel sides equal. And we have the last one. Try this.
Does this polygon have 4 sides? Yes. Then this is a quadrilateral. Are both pairs of opposite sides parallel? Yes. Then this is a parallelogram. Are all sides equal? Yes.
Yes, pay attention. Are all sides equal?
Yes. Then this is a rhombus. Are all angles 90 degrees? No. Then this is a rhombus.
So this is a rhombus. You see, this chart is really helpful in identifying what kind of quadrilateral this is. So you can now easily identify what kind of quadrilateral is this using chart and using concepts and definitions.